Hey there! Let's unbox the Cocoa Daisy Halloween kit, shall we? This is a special edition kit that you have to purchase individually. It's not part of the subscription. And as I told you with the October products, love Halloween. So when I tell you that I'm really excited about something, I am. All right, also, look how cute this is. Smile, your box of spooky is here. How cute is that? Okay, so you saw I just cut it open. I have not opened this whatsoever yet. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some of the awesome little bits and pieces that are in here. And as I tell you, try not to look at the reveals and things of that nature because I like to be surprised. All right, so it comes in one of the heavy-duty plastic envelopes, just like the larger kits, like the planner kits and the memory keeping kits. Okay, first up, we are gonna do this washi because I can't even wait for it. It is a spider web, and then there is a cute little spider on there too. And again, I get it, spiders aren't for everyone. I don't know that they're necessarily even for me, but in terms of Halloween, oh yeah, they are. Okay. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? Cute, right? Alrighty, then we have these die cuts. So the 31, and they also have a subtle spider web. Oh my gosh, that took way too long for me to think of that word. A subtle spider web pattern. Okay, so then we also have just everyday, normal, fun die cuts. Lots of really cute ones, like this creepy, crawly little jack-o'-lantern spooky season. You're my boo. Okay, that's the cutest. That probably is my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so then you've got labels, which are always great. You've got tabs, which are fantastic. And then you've got, oh my gosh, do you see that? It's like a little ghost pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern candy. Candy Haul 31. So tons of really cute, not playful, but not macabre, also not like super serious necessarily. Eat, drink, and be scary. Just a really fun look at Halloween, which will be perfect because I am going to do a October mini book this year. So this will be fun to use. So yeah, those are all really adorable. I didn't mean to actually pull them all out, but I did. So now we got a good look at them, am I right? And honestly, it makes me even more excited. So I'm pretty glad actually that I did pull them out. All right, so then we have some more goodies in here. Okay, so these are little vellum letters, and they spell boo, and then also have an exclamation point as well. So obviously the centers of the O pop out, and then the little period for my thing is still in the package, and I'm not going to pull that out, but very cute and very fun. And you know what would look really, really cool over photo, like a photo. Obviously it would look cool a whole bunch of other ways too, but it just popped in my head that it would be very fun to use over a photo. All right, so then we have enamel dots, glitter dots, if you will. They're always fun. And then the stamp set, which is incredibly adorable. Hopefully you can really get a good look at that. You've got a spider web, you've got ghosts, a gnarly tree. Lots of really cute stuff here. I think this is gonna be a lot of fun to use. Puffy black alphas. I think my album that I'm using is approximately 4x6, so I'm really looking forward to using this because, or these little cards, because I think this is gonna be fun to make it all layery and lots of goodness. So that's just so cute. The font is adorable. Then you've got some ghosts and you've got Happy Halloween. All right, so then we have planner stickers, which, oh, I love them. I can't wait. I am gonna go crazy with all of the, let's come back to this one. I'm gonna do this one last because I want to open it up and take it apart. Okay, so now we have rub-ons, which again, I absolutely love rub-ons. I've always loved rub-ons, but I really, really, really love them now that I'm a planner and memory planner person, which obviously I have been for like 8 or 9 years, but that's not the point. I'm glad that rub-ons made a comeback because they're amazing in planners and memory planners. All right, so the spiderweb vellum is so cute. Hopefully you can tell that that's vellum. It's really adorable. And then the overlay with those creepy little jack-o'-lanterns and witch hats. All right, so now the patterned paper. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. They are just, this tree is just so gnarly too. It's really fun. All right, so then we have some kind of creepy text and the jack-o'-lanterns, of course. And then obviously you get 2 sheets of each. So then you have the bats, you have the gnarly trees, and you have the jack-o'-lanterns. So again, as always, a really great mix of patterned papers right there. Okay, so now let's break into these and what I wanted to show you. So they're kind of hard to see because they are spider webs. So the inside from the stickers is still in there, right? Like, for example, so you just punch the little guy out, and then you can see a little bit better, like, oh, there's the hole, right? So it's just cool. They're just cute little spider webs, and they are all attached on the paper. And I'm sure I could have probably done a better job and actually like left the negatives, these little pieces on the page, but I didn't. I was so excited. I just pulled the whole sticker off and didn't really pay a whole lot of attention. But as you can see, those come right out. I'm not even struggling. I'm still just talking to you or whatever while I'm pulling those apart. So yeah, those are very, very fun. And then you can see there's not only the spider webs, which there are quite a few, but then there are a couple of spiders too. And this is glittery, heavy, so pretty. Look at that. Stickers. So I love it because they're not black. They're like a nice charcoal gray. So it definitely gives a little bit more, it's a little bit more interesting, right? Than just having all of the plain black things. Sorry, I was trying to get those stickers off my hands. All right, so let's put this away, and then we will go through the little sticker kit too, which, by the way, I'm very excited about. I really cannot wait to use these in my planner. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This last year, obviously the art wasn't the same, but the like sort of the overall feeling was very similar. It was my favorite. Same with the Christmas kit. I just, for some reason, love these playful little sticker pages. And this is the clear vellum sticker paper. You have a creepy little witch right there. Can you see her? And then a black cat. And there's that gnarly tree. And then alphas, of course. So, and that's that clear vellum. So yeah, that is the Halloween kit. I will link these up for you below. Hopefully you have enjoyed this little peek at them. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will do my best to answer them for you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.